So just recently, I made a video on defragmentation of drives. Yes, defragmentation simply means trying to send the files to its original location so that your PC will not struggle when searching for any file. That is it. And I've received quite a number of messages in my DM on people asking whether it is advisable to defragment SSD or it's for only HDD. So today, let's talk about it. My advice for you is not to defragment your SSD. Defragmentation of drive is for only traditional drives. That is the HDD. So I will never advise you to defragment your SSD. SSD operates differently from the traditional drives. So please, we only defragment HDD, not SSD. So if you have a machine that is using the solid state drive, that is the SSD, please do not defragment it. They do that by their own selves. The more you defragment your SSD, the higher you reduce their lifespan. So it's not advisable to defragment SSD. But if you're using an HDD machine, then just always try to defragment it to ensure smooth running and a higher speed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you and I can improve our tech knowledge together. My name is Kwesi Highest.